Welcome to the Think Wealthy channel. We're diving into a controversial topic today, your corporate 401k. Your corporate 401k might be legally robbing you. Wall Street wants you to focus on the company match, but they are hiding distinct fees that could eat up 40% of your ultimate retirement nest egg. That sounds extreme, but stay with me. We are going to expose how the traditional U.S. retirement plan is quietly draining your wealth, all thanks to corporate structures and high mutual fund management fees. The shocking truth is that over a typical 30-year career, these subtle, often invisible fees can consume a staggering 40% of your potential retirement savings. Let's start by breaking down the core structural problem of the typical corporate 401k. The first issue is the mandatory fund menu. It severely limits your choices, forcing you into actively managed mutual funds that carry significantly higher fees compared to readily available low-cost index funds. This structure exists because it primarily benefits the plan custodians and the financial institutions running the funds, not the employees contributing their hard-earned money. Now, let's expose the three distinct categories of hidden fees that are quietly chipping away at your wealth. The first are administration and record-keeping fees. These are the costs associated with maintaining your account, processing transactions, and handling regulatory requirements. They can be flat fees or asset-based. Second, and often the largest drain, are the expense ratios. These are annual fees paid directly to the mutual fund managers, often reaching 1% or even higher, regardless of how well the fund performs. Understanding the true cost requires understanding how fees compound over a long period. This is where the real damage is done. Even a seemingly small 1 to 2% annual fee, when compounded over 30 years, drastically reduces your final nest egg because those fees are taken out before your money has a chance to grow. We can contrast a high-fee 401k with a self-directed, low-cost index fund portfolio to see the massive difference in outcomes. This gap is the 40% we talked about earlier. So what's the solution? The anti-401k strategy revolves around independent investing alternatives. This means utilizing independent IRA or standard brokerage accounts. They give you complete control over what you invest in and, crucially, who you pay in fees. With independent accounts, you can invest in ultra-low expense ratio index funds. We're talking expense ratios of less than 0.05%, saving you thousands of dollars annually. The only part of the 401k that is truly beneficial to you is the employer match. You must maximize this benefit. The strategy here is simple. Contribute only the bare minimum required to secure the full employer match, and not a penny more. Then, redirect all your remaining retirement savings contributions into those fee-friendly independent IRA or brokerage accounts. By adopting this anti-401k strategy, you stop subsidizing Wall Street's profit margins and start building true wealth for yourself. Take control of your retirement future. Don't let hidden fees erode your potential wealth. It's time to choose transparency and low cost. If you found this strategy valuable and want more controversial yet powerful financial insights, hit that subscribe button and join the Think Wealthy community.